This is the ultimate guide to resolving the persistent SteamVR loading screen problem affecting Oculus AirLink and Steam Link. Having personally encountered and meticulously tested numerous approaches, I've identified several effective methods to overcome this frustrating issue, and I'm now ready to share them with you. We begin with method 1, which focuses on basic resets and updates. Restarting the Oculus software, then SteamVR, and finally your PC clears temporary glitches and refreshes active processes. Updating both the Oculus software and SteamVR ensures you're running the latest stable versions, which often contain crucial bug fixes for connection protocols. Verifying game files addresses any corruption within specific VR titles. And reinstalling SteamVR provides a clean slate for the VR environment. Method 2 addresses network integrity, a common culprit for persistent loading. Checking PC network settings and temporarily disabling VPNs removes potential interference. Resetting your network adapter and updating router firmware optimize your connection's stability. Using an Ethernet connection where possible eliminates Wi-Fi variables, while adjusting firewall rules and optimizing Wi-Fi channels prevent data packet loss or delays. Method 3 delves into SteamVR and Oculus software configurations. Clearing the SteamVR cache and deleting its configuration files resets its internal state. Reinstalling the Oculus software ensures its core components are sound, and checking USB connections for wired setups is vital. Disabling beta features in either platform can revert to known stable states, and running Steam as an administrator grants necessary permissions. Repairing the Steam installation can fix underlying issues within the platform itself. Finally, Method 4 tackles system and driver optimizations. Updating graphics drivers is paramount for VR performance and compatibility. Checking PC system requirements confirms your hardware is adequate, and closing unnecessary background applications frees up system resources. Adjusting VR performance settings can alleviate strain on the system, and repairing your AirLink device or checking Oculus Link settings ensures the wireless connection is properly established. Optimizing Steam Link app settings further refines the streaming process.